it's gonna be like.
Well, we've never been in a full one, so this will be interesting. Usually it's like empty and we're like things flown every way.
Right. Maybe a little steady.
So yeah, maybe it'll be a little bit steady that we're all in here.
Steady.
And I always go back. I should have sat with you, bro. I know, it's like I'm always backwards.
I'm backwards.
The first time you went back, we're always backwards.
I'm glad it's not cold. If it would have been cold and we didn't like water, we'd been freezing.
Look.
Wait, you gotta look up. Look backwards.
No, I'm not looking back. No, I'm backwards. I'm gonna stay backwards today. I said it last time, this is the last time, because I don't know how things gonna end up.
Oh my gosh.
Too bad. Yeah. Find out. Oh, I think we're getting on that.
Baby, look at it.
Oh my gosh.
So much water. That's why he doesn't. Okay, that wasn't bad.
That wasn't bad.
It's not a bad drop. It's good.
Oh my goodness.
No, we gotta get out. We have to. When it's empty, you can ride it again, but it's not empty. People
Yeah, you may ride it the rest of the afternoon. you got my okay. Mom and sister okay with it. You ride it the rest of the afternoon.
That was yeah.
Girl, it's just so wet. No, it wasn't bad. It was just so wet.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun driving.